Plane crashes are among the most devastating events in aviation history, leaving lasting impacts on families, industries, and global safety standards. From small private planes to large commercial airliners, every crash tells a story of tragedy and lessons learned. In this video, we'll examine some of the most significant plane crashes from around the world, including breaking news incidents, investigations, and their implications for aviation safety. On date, a Precision Air flight crashed into Lake Victoria shortly after takeoff from Bukoba Airport in Tanzania. The aircraft, carrying passengers, skidded off the runway and plunged into the water. While some survivors were rescued, tragically, several lives were lost. Investigators are examining factors such as weather conditions, pilot error, and mechanical issues to determine the cause. One of the most infamous incidents involving Delta Airlines occurred when a flight crashed during landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport. Severe weather conditions and potential pilot misjudgment contributed to the disaster. Miraculously, all passengers survived, but the incident highlighted critical gaps in airport safety protocols. On March 21, 2022, China Eastern Airlines Flight MU-5735 crashed in Guangxi Province, killing all 132 people aboard. Initial investigations revealed anomalies in the flight data recorder, suggesting possible pilot inputs or system malfunctions. This tragic event has sparked debates about automation, pilot training, and aircraft design. Small plane crashes remain alarmingly common, often due to mechanical failures or pilot error. For instance, a skydiving plane crashed into a hangar at Krzasto Airfield in Poland, killing 5 people. In Connecticut, another small plane collided with a building, underscoring the risks of general aviation. Military plane crashes, such as the one in Irkutsk, Siberia, where a Russian aircraft hit a residential building, highlight the dangers posed to civilian populations. Similarly, incidents involving helicopters colliding with planes emphasize the need for improved airspace management and communication systems. In a recent breaking news incident, a plane crashed into the Potomac River near Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport. The crash led to an immediate airport shutdown and raised questions about air traffic control procedures. Thankfully, there were no fatalities, but the incident serves as a reminder of how quickly things can go wrong. Each plane crash leaves a legacy of lessons that drive improvements in aviation safety. From advanced technology to stricter regulations, the industry continues to evolve to prevent future tragedies. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more aviation insights. Let us know in the comments which incident impacted you the most.